What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits Spirit Day number 68. Today we're going to one of my favorite little obscure distilleries. I like to have favorites. I know that it's hard, but I don't. People ask me all the time what's my favorite distillery. I don't have favorites for the same reason that most other people have favorites. I have favorites because I like underdogs. I like people who just make stuff because it's the way they like it. That's why I love Esquimalt Wine Company and Marrow Vermouthery. Because it's crazy to think that you would just lean into making vermouth. That makes no sense to me. From a pure hospitality entrepreneur point of view, just being a vermouthery makes no sense whatsoever. But I love the fact that there's so much passion behind the business that it becomes successful because of that passion. And this distillery is one of those distilleries. It's the Maple Leaf. We're going to do the Pear Liqueur today. Now, I've done this before. They've got a wonderful peach as well, which I wish I had a bottle of that. But they're one of these distilleries up on Narromata that have been one of the oldest distilleries, but all of a sudden in the last couple of years, everybody knows about them because they're Lady of their Cask, one of my favorite brandies in North America, hands down. And so this is their Pear Liqueur, and they just make fruit brandies and fruit liqueurs. Makes no sense whatsoever. They don't make a gin, they don't make a vodka, they just make eau de vies and eau de vie liqueurs. And in my head, from a business point of view, that makes no sense whatsoever. But from a passion, loving of craft spirits in BC, it makes all the sense in the world because I love my eau de vies, and I've done their Italian prune. I think I did their pear this week for their cheese board pairings. And it makes all the sense in the world for me. So we're going to do the pear liqueur today. Now what they do is they do a pear eau de vie, so they distill pears and then they take pear juice and cut it. So it's pear on pear. 25% alcohol. They just do some fantastic. Jorgen and Annette are just such lovely people as well. I just absolutely love them. And as you can imagine, my love of pear eau de vie is not unknown. Pear liqueur with fresh pear juice cut into it and then filtered. Oh, how can you not want more of this? It is just beautiful and round. Great acidity. I'm feeling it chew up here in the back of my throat. It's this beautiful balance of vibrant, fragrant pear eau de vie, and then this sort of deep, stewed, almost like cooked pear in the front. So there's this beautiful balance of bright and aromatic and deep and cooked, and they just meld really well together. And if you love pear, and if you don't want to go full-blown pear eau de vie like I did this week, you got to just do this pear liqueur. It is absolutely to die for, and I see this as a post-dessert, or doing like baked pears with drizzle this over the top. Poof, you're not going to be disappointed. Number 68 today, Maple Leaf Pear Liqueur. Get some now. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.